What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, Damon, joining you again today. And today, we are reacting to Chainsaw Man, Episode 2. So, last week, we watched the first episode of Chainsaw Man, the highly anticipated, highly hyped show of the fall 2022 season. And must I say, Episode 1 was quite a banger. I really enjoyed it. So in episode 1, we got the introduction to Denji and Pochita, and we kind of learned a little bit about them and their upbringing, how Denji is, living in so much debt thanks to his father, who got in debt with the Yakuza before he had committed suicide, unfortunately. It doesn't look like the mom is in the picture. I don't know if we'll get any more type of backstory or anything additional with that, but it doesn't look like she was in the picture. So Denji was basically by himself until one day he met Pochita. Actually, it was the day literally where the Yakuza was like, hey, you got till tomorrow to bring me like 7 bands. I think it was more than that, but so that day Denji had met Pochita, bleeding out, and offered Pochita some blood, and in exchange they made a deal. Pochita would lend Denji his power, when requested upon, and they then became a unofficial devil hunter. I want to say demon hunter so bad. Like, I just got so much Demon Slayer on my mind, and I don't know why, but no, these aren't Demon Slayers, although I kind of draw a similarity to Demon Slayer in a sense, and I'll get to that in a little bit. So Denji and Pochita, they're now a team. They're working with the Yakuza to kill devils, and the Yakuza then sells them on the black market, which Denji gets some of the proceeds to try and pay off his debt, but not nearly enough to even cover his living expenses. My man had to... Oh my gosh, my nose itches. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. My man had to sell off his eye, his kidney, his nuts, and oh my man, it was crazy. And he was just dreaming about a girl before he even got the busted nut. But anyways, so that's kind of the situation that Denji was in, and he was then set up by the Yakuza he was working for. Anyway, Denji was set up by the Yakuza, and they kind of offed him. Like, they cut his head off, cut his limbs off, dumped him in the dumpster. I was caught off guard by that. I didn't know how this show was going to go, and we can already see from episode 1 the tone that this show, has created. So I really enjoyed it. So Denji, was off, put in the dumpster. They killed him, or they thought they did, until Pochita ended up merging or fusing with Denji, becoming his heart, and allowing Denji to transform into the Chainsaw Man. I guess that's going to be his official name. I don't know. It's the name of the show. And he literally had a chainsaw growing out of his head and his arms. So Denji and Pochita are fused, and they took down the devil that the Yakuza had sold their souls to, basically. And then at the end of the episode, we got the devil hunters that rolled around, and I believe her name is Makima. Did we see that in the last episode? I believe we did. So she rolled around and basically offered Denji that, hey, we could off you right here, we could kill you again, or you could come work for me, and I'll make sure you're fed, and it'll be a good time. So, looks like Denji is switching ownership from the Yakuza, and now he will belong to the Devil Hunters from Public Safety. They're Devil Hunters from Public Safety. Don't really know if there's like different Devil Hunter segments yet, but I guess that's something that maybe we'll find out in this episode, in episode 2. What I'm expecting from episode 2 is to get a little bit more story development. Again, I really don't know where this show is going to take off. I really still don't understand the setting of this show. The devils, the origin of them. I guess we can't get all that information in one episode, in the first episode, but I'm still very interested to see, how things originated, where things are going to take off from here. And I'm really excited to get into it. So, with that being said, before we hop into this episode, though, just want to let you guys know to please feel free to check out the Patreon and the link in the description below. You could check that out and you can see full uncut timer reactions there. And yeah, it'd be a great time. Come join. It's a party. So, with that being said, let's hop into this first episode. Chainsaw Man episode 2. All right. Who is this? Very beautiful. Okay, this Makima. The close-up of her eyes look interesting. Man, it's cheesing. I don't know, she looked kind of scary. Yes or woof? Seems heartless. Okay. I love her character design. Don't know if I'm gonna love her as a character though. Can you feed my mans? Oh, okay. I mean, she seems kind of nice. But she also, you know, is fully intent on treating this man like a dog, so... My man is simping. This goofball's just dancing in the street. After a day of destruction. Oh, okay. So they hurt him in exchange. She has a particularly good sense of smell. She did say in episode 1 that he smelled different. Or he had an interesting smell or something like that. The body has the sense of both a human and a devil. This man is about to pass out. So, is it really like from loss of blood? Oh my gosh. This man is funny. I've never had udon. Is it better than ramen? I don't really even know. Where can I get it from? I'm into the Denji type. What type of games is she playing? I don't know. I feel like she's playing games with him. A lot of paid vacation. Can't argue with that. My man's one thing on his mind. He's just trying to get the cheeks. Okay, new characters coming up soon. Oh, who is this? Aki Hayakawa. Okay. Okay, so is she like the head honcho? I can't get a read on her. Is she nice or is she scary? I love her character design though. My man, Denji. Just walking through town with a sword on your back? Holy shit. I was trying to get him to quit. Yeah, why? What's up? Okay, so he thinks he's not taking it seriously. Okay, okay, that's a little disrespectful. Okay, he seems like a bit of an asshole. Ooh. Ooh, I felt that. Ooh. Alright, that's a low blow. Hey, whatever it takes, I guess. He did spit on you, so. Okay. I mean, it's an upgrade from what you had before, so. Oh my gosh, going for the same spot. And you're just letting them get you there? You gotta predict it and anticipate it. By the nut devil. Hayakawa's unit. Okay. Who's in this unit? Baseless rumors. Aaron Yeager would never. Okay, so she saved him too. Be interesting to get a little bit of Makima backstory. Understand what her whole deal is. Oh, he's living his dream. Is that his apartment? Aki's apartment, maybe? Hey, my man just living his best life. Can't hate on Denji, man. Okay. Fell asleep on the toilet. Oh, he looks kind of cool with his hair down. Oh. So did he use it all? Was there none in there? Or is he just mad he didn't replace it? Okay, so they work closely with the police, it seems like. The police were familiar with Aki. A fiend. Okay, a fiend is when a devil takes control of a human corpse. Which means if Pochita would have taken over Denji's dead body like he had asked them, they probably would have came after Pochita. Now about to see Denji in action again? I kind of want to see Aki in action now. Holy shit. Holy shit. Just cleaved his head right off. So he's seeing like a bit of humanity in fiends because things could have been similar for him. Oh, he is triggered. Where did he even get the axe from? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean it's an upgrade for him. What's missing? Freedom? I didn't say this enough in the last reaction, but the OST slaps though. I love this OST. Oh my gosh. Two-person teams, okay. Is that the girl from the intro? Oh, she's a fiend. Okay. Oh, she's power. Because in the intro, when it showed her cheeked up on the beach, it said power right under. I didn't put two and two together. That would be her name. She's highly rational. Okay, so she's a fiend working with the Devil Hunters. Okay, so they got to prove that they deserve to be a unit. Although, Makima's, kind of forcing them to be, but she seems cool. I like her character design too. Not the cat. Oh my gosh. She seems crazy. I like her. I like her already. And again, the OST slaps. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, she's crazy. She's cray cray. Oh, that's it? No way. Did we see this ending last time? Oh, that's it. Doesn't look like there's an end credit scene. Okay. All right, so that's episode 2. We got some more characters. We got Aki, who seems to be like he seems to be like the Sasuke of the show, like the loner. Like, Denji made a dig at him that maybe he's just doing this for revenge. Who knows? Maybe we'll see. We have to get some more background into him. But we got Aki, we got Power, and Power seems like she'll be a fun character to have in the show. She seems crazy. So she's a fiend, so that means she's a devil that had possessed a corpse. But Makima said that she's rational, so she's not crazy. She's not out here to hunt humans, it seems like. So that's pretty interesting that we got a fiend. Well, I guess we shouldn't really be too surprised. I guess Makima did recruit Denji, who is part devil. So this is already an interesting dynamic, interesting collection of characters. I like it. Don't really know. I still don't really have a good feel for Makima yet. She seems terrifying, but she also seems really nice. I don't really know. She seems really nice, but at the same time, she seems like she's super cutthroat. Like, if you don't do this, you're done. But we've yet to see it yet. We've yet to, explore her character a little bit more. But overall, I liked it. I liked this episode. I liked the introduction to the new characters. Can't wait to see how the dynamic progresses. Can't wait to understand what different elements are going to be thrown into the show, what the plot's going to shape up to be. So it's interesting because this unit, Aki, I forget his last name. His unit, they have to, show results. What are the results? Are the results based off of how many doubles they kill? How much damage is done to the city? Crime rate? Like, what? I don't know. But they have to prove results, or else their unit is going to get shut down. And if that's the case, Makima didn't really understand what would happen if their unit gets shut down. Can they get reassigned, or are they done as double hunters, and then she's gonna be forced to, at least for Denji and maybe Power, to put them 6 feet under? I don't know. That's we've yet to see. So very interested to see how that's going to shape up. But it seems like we have We're progressing in the story bit by bit. We got some new characters. I think there might have been a couple more, at least from the intro, that we've yet to meet yet. So I can't wait until we get to meet, more characters, more of the crew, and just continue to build from there and see where it continues to go. But I like this episode. I hope you guys did as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. And if you did, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I would really appreciate it. And again, feel free to check out the Patreon for all my YouTube folks. And I can't wait to the next episode. I hope you all enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Have a good one, and peace out.